bricks, I'm still soaked.
Alright, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Crown by Stormzy. He released it a few days ago, and it's already going really well on the charts. And yeah, I thought, do you know what? Let's give it a listen. Apparently, it's a sick song, one of the best he's ever done. Dave said on his Instagram story the other day. So do you know what? I thought, I've got to react to that. Best Stormzy's ever done. It's got to be good. Let's hear it out.
Searching every corner of my mind.
What I think is sick about Stormzy is, even though he knows he's not a vocalist as such, he does try it out, he tests it out, and he tests his ability here, which I think is sick. And probably a very intimidating thing to do, but I respect it.
Looking for the answers I can't find.
Okay.
I have my reasons and life has its lessons. I try to be grateful and count all my blessings, but heavy is the head that wears the crown.
Here it comes.
Amen in Jesus' name, yes I declare it. Any little seed I receive, I have to share it. Brothers wanna break me down, I can't bear it. But heavy is the head with the crown, I still wear it. You can't hold me down, I still hold. Rain falling down on the bricks, I'm still soaked. Try to put a hole in our ship, woo.
Rain falling down in the Brits, I'm still soaked, is a reference to his Blinded by Your Grace performance at the Brits. I think it was about a year ago, which was basically him and a load of people in balaclavas with loads of rain coming down from the stage, which was a sick performance. Definitely go check it out here on YouTube. Yeah, crazy performance.
Two birds with one stone, I pull both. Pray I never lose and pray I never hit the show. Promise if I do that, you'll be checking on my health. If it's for my people, I'll do anything to help. If I do it out of love, it's not to benefit myself. Ooh, gotta stay around, but make a comeback too. I know my only mother wants a son back too. They're saying I'm the voice of the young black youth, and then I say, yeah, cool, and then I bum my zoo, and now I'm searching every corner of my mind. Searching every corner, look for the answers. Looking for the answers I can't find.
Yeah. I'm actually noticing this song is quite similar in the way that it's structured to Blinded by Your Grace. Not actually this similar song in that way, but the way that it's structured with the background singing. It's quite similar to Blinded by Grace. Liking it so far.
Life has its lessons. Try to be grateful and count all my blessings, but heavy is the head that wears the crown.
I don't want to say he's not a vocalist, but that was pretty impressive. Oh, he apparently can sing a little bit. And it comes again.
Amen in Jesus' name, oh yes I claim it. Any little bread that I make, I have to break it. Brothers wanna break me down, I can't take it.
Any little bread that I make, gotta break it. Shares it out with the youths.
Done a scholarship for the kids, they said it's racist. That's not anti-white, it's pro-black. Hang me out to dry, I won't crack. All these fancy ties and gold
Black don't
never
crack.
had no silver spoons in our mouths, we sold lie. Don't comment on my culture, you ain't qualified. Stab us in the back and then apologize. If you knew my story, you'll be horrified. The irony of trapping on the Boris bag. Gotta stay alive and stay my brother as well. Look at all these legends on the cover of Elle. Long time coming, but we come to prevail. I guess a little bit of heaven has to come with the hell, you know. Searching every corner of my mind. Searching every corner, look for the answers. Looking for the answers I can't find.
We're gonna have another verse on here. Maybe. Hoping for it.
I have my reasons. Life has its lessons. Try to be grateful and count all my blessings, but heavy is the head that wears the crown.
Nah, damn it. No more verses. Crazy song though, 2 verses. And overall just a sick production. This is sick. Love me a bit of gospel. Yeah, tune. I waited a few days to hear this song, so I can hear that it comments on a lot of political problems. He's talking about a lot about pro-black and stuff. So I noticed on his Instagram a few months ago he was meant to play at a concert. I'm not sure which one it was, but apparently some security guard or something was being racist towards him and his crew, and he had to cancel the concert. And I was like following that on his Instagram. So yeah, I mean, even though you're Stormzy and you're a massive name in the UK, you're still going to see those problems, and definitely needs to be addressed, and he does that in this song. So yeah, definitely a sick song with current relevance. So yeah, big up Stormzy, and big up to you for watching this video. So thank you so much, and tune in on some of my other videos, and yeah, other than that, see you next time, and thank you for watching.